Okay, we need to solve these equations. So the first equation, I'm going to, so they want us to solve it for y. Okay, so I'm going to first simplify, right? So, let me erase that. I'm going to simplify. So I would get 6x minus 3 plus 2y equals 5x, right? And I'll subtract 5x from both sides. Subtract 5x, and we get x minus 3 plus 2y equals 0, right? And the goal is to get y all alone, so I'm going to subtract x from both sides. And I get negative 3 plus 2y equals negative x. Then I'm going to add 3. Again, I'm trying to isolate the y. So I get 2y equals 3 minus x, or negative x plus 3. And then, let me rewrite it, 3 minus x. And then I divide both sides by 2, right? And I get y equals 3 minus x over 2. And you could leave it that way, or you could write it as y equals 3 halves minus x over 2. This would be fine, this would be fine. You could even write it as y equals 3 halves minus 1/2 x. That would be fine. Any of those three. Just pick one of those and go with it for problem A. Then for B, let me make some room here. We want to solve for x. So I have 600x plus 200y equals 500x. I'm just going to make life easier here and right away divide both sides by 100, right? So I have to write less. So I get 6x plus 2y equals 5x, right? Okay, now we subtract 5x from both sides, right? And we get x plus 2y equals 0. Then we subtract 2y from both sides, and we get x equals negative 2y. And I have solved this one for x.